Alright, starting out here, we are cutting the exhaust throat on this set of 317 LS heads. So I put the cutter in, and then I use the power feed on the mill to feed it down through. We size the throat depending on the application. This one's sized at about 89% of the exhaust valve size. Alright, once the throat is cut, put the seat cutter in, and this is doing a 3-angle exhaust valve seat cut all at one time. To make sure we get a good clean cut, slow down the cut at the end here. Make sure that there's no chatter, and it's a nice clean valve seat. Next, we move over to the intake seat. You can see here I am centering over the valve guide pilot. Put a little lubrication on there so we don't score up the pilot. We do the same thing on this. We cut the intake valve throat first, again using the power feed. And then we switch it out for a 5-angle cutter on the intake side. This set of heads, we're actually using stock valve sizes, so 317 LS heads come with a 2-inch intake valve and a 155 exhaust. So we're just redoing the angles on these seats and making sure that they are nice and true. And then once all these seats are cut, we will go in and do some hand blending into the ports, and then we'll come back and surface these heads.